to create a class in Google Classroom, you must log into your account. Okay. Once you log into your account, just go at the upper right of your screen near your profile pictures. You can see this icon. It's called the Google application. Click that icon and then find Classroom. Okay. So we need that application. So when you click the Classroom, it will go to another window. And here is your class. Okay. So I have here, as you can see in my screen, there's a lot of class I created. So to create a new class, just click the plus sign. Okay. Plus sign is you can join and you can create. So create and add or type the class name. So the class name is example grade 9A. And in sections, I will just add the day, okay, and the time, okay. And the subject is design and come up and then click create, okay. So here is your class for your grade 9 Monday 8 to 9 a.m. The next step is you are going to add your students, okay. So go to people, and from here you can add also teachers, okay. So collaboration with other teachers, you can add it here. And to add students, you can manually type their email ad, okay. Type their email ad and then select and then click invite. Or the other method is to copy this class code, okay. Copy this class code and then send an email to them, okay. So go to your Gmail to sample students, okay, class code, and join my class using this class code, okay. So you can paste it here and then you can send like that, okay. So once you send, just wait for the students to join your class. So let's say I have students already read my email, okay. So when the students open his email, I received these two. The first one is class invitation, so this teacher sent through my email, okay. So when I open it and then click join, it will automatic. The other thing is this one, using this class code, okay. But the students, if the student use this class code, the student must go and click their Google Classroom, okay, and then they will click the plus sign and close and join. And wait, now it's now your students, it's now you join your class. So as you can see, when you check, you have one students in your class. So that is how to create a Google Classroom, a Google Class in Google Classroom, and add students in your classroom. Thank you for watching.